Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tracking a massive collision, borderless AI tech versus strict state laws.
So the tech world is totally buzzing with a wild rumor. OpenAI is reportedly building its own smartphone.
Analysts say they aren't just sticking to software anymore, they're actually developing a device with custom hardware.
By teaming up with manufacturing giants like MediaTek and Luxshare, they're gearing up for some serious scale.
Just imagine ditching that old static app grid for a super dynamic, always-on AI agent panel.
These smart agents would literally handle your background tasks seamlessly, from booking flights to pulling market data. Where it is, designs could be finalized by early 2027, with mass production aiming for 2028.
But, hey, while this hardware moves fast, a massive, complex legal framework is quietly being built everywhere.
Lawmakers are moving incredibly fast, guys. We're already on the 15th major update to state AI legislation.
Different states are taking wildly different and honestly sometimes contradictory approaches to regulating AI.
Like in Florida, the Senate wants an AI Bill of Rights, but the House actually prefers federal rules.
Meanwhile, Tennessee just drew a hard line in the sand, explicitly denying AI any kind of legal personhood.
All across the country, lawmakers are heavily targeting the exact same AI agents powering your future phone.
States like Colorado, Hawaii, and Connecticut, they're aggressively pushing bills to strictly regulate how chatbots operate.
And California is naturally pushing sweeping AI regulations across major sectors, from healthcare right down to employment.
So we're basically watching a rapid collision between borderless AI tech and a fractured map of strict laws.
Which leaves us wondering, how exactly will your global AI phone work when you cross state lines?